Namaste, I am Professor Dr. G.G.Gangadharan. I have been practicing for last 38 years and odd, and currently I am practicing in Bengaluru near Hebbal flyover at Bhadrappa layout. In terms of order of purity and health benefit, the best vessel for cooking or eating and storing food is gold. So no one can afford gold these days, so it is out of question. But it is meant for royal families in ancient times. They used to eat in gold. And incidentally, if you keep anything in gold plate, within 5 minutes all the microbes gets destroyed. That's the study says. Same is the case with silver. Silver can destroy microbes within 30 minutes of exposure to that. But what Ayurveda proposes and propones is the use of copper as the best vessel for storing water, not more than 12 hours. It says that if you keep the water in the copper vessels, it destroys all the microbes. There are studies done in many labs and published papers on that microbes, including typhoid bacterium, can be removed by keeping the water in copper vessels. But if you keep water in copper vessels more than 12 hours, copper may leach out to the water. It may not be that way good. So there is a limit. And also, whenever you use copper vessel, you have to clean using a tamarind or any sour item so that no oxidized things inside the copper vessels harms your health. So that is what about vessels. But these days we all use stainless steel is the main, or the things made out of clay and potted things. So there are not much explanation about this thing. But Ayurveda says mud pot is a very good instrument to use food, especially for storing food and cooking items. The reason is that mud pot can keep the food in a proper temperature way for a long time, and it will not anywhere react with any elements of food particles even after storing for a long time. So mud pot is one of the best for handling food, but these days due to so many reasons we don't use mud pot. So if you ask me a practical thing today, and stainless steel is a harmless thing which is very non-reactive to any of the food material. It is highly heat resistant and it will not leach out to the material even for overheating. So steel can be used without any Ayurveda reference directly on that. But Ayurveda says the best method that we use is the natural things. You know, in ancient communities we used to use different kinds of leaves. In Kerala and other parts we use banana leaves for serving food, and we use different kinds of leaves in different places. If you go to the different ethnic communities of the world, you know how natural things are being utilized for a very appropriate way in their daily habits. So there are no specific thing for using, but Ayurveda recommends for people with anemia to use iron vessels. The iron vessel is a wonderful substance if used. In earlier times, we have got many vessels, especially for frying and making roasted things. Iron plates have been used. That's very good. It helps to leach little bit of iron get leached out to the food, and is very good. So iron, stainless steel, copper and natural leaves are the best economically feasible vessels one can use as per Ayurveda, but the best being the gold and silver.